I've taken you to the original Sugar and Spice, and today I thought I'd bring you to their downtown location. Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Today's adventure brings us to downtown Cincinnati to the Sugar and Spice Diner. Now I've taken you to the original location, I think twice now, and I thought I'd check out the downtown location, see how it compares. And this used to be known as the Diner, and it went out of business, and then Sugar and Spice bought it. So this should be fun. Our adventure starts here. I love seeing the old buildings down here in Cincinnati. Has a sense of history to it. This building used to be the School for the Creative and Performing Arts, and now it's Alumni Lofts. Let's go inside and check out the ceiling. I'm glad to see they've maintained the old vintage diner feel to the place. For drinks, you can get milkshakes, cocktails, or beer, White Claw, and Red Bull. It looks like its menu is identical to the original location. I wonder if they hand out mini rubber ducks like they do at the other location. And as a sign of the times, each table has hand sanitizer. While I'm waiting for my meal, I decide to have a cup of coffee. I was told you can buy the t-shirts and the mugs. And here's another bonus in my book. They carry hot sauce. I did not eat breakfast this morning, so I could have breakfast and lunch here. And this is the breakfast special. Has eggs, goetta, and pancakes. And for my lunch, I'm having a hamburger with goetta and a beer. Okay, sorry, I forgot to film eating my breakfast, so I will film eating my lunch. I'll try out the hamburger. I put some hot sauce on it. Excellent, excellent food. Just as good as the other location. And now I'm going to try goetta for the very first time. It's very good. Of course, I put hot sauce on it, but it's very good. You can pay touchless if you have Apple Pay, and it was very easy. To say the food was delicious is an understatement. Like I said, the whole place has the atmosphere of an old vintage diner, and I love it. Well, that was an excellent experience. Excellent food, excellent service, excellent atmosphere. And I ate every bite, and I highly recommend you come down to Sugar and Spice on Sycamore Street. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And until next time, everyone, this is Cashew signing off.